This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 10th, 2016. Corn market today was up anywhere from 10 to 12 cents. Bean market, old crop up 57, new crop up 52, and the wheat market up 2 to 3 cents. Big focus today was the crop report. Conab came out with their Brazil forecast, lowered their production 2 million metric tons to start the morning. That got us up 13, 14 cents heading into the report. Once we got the report, the big surprise came in the form of soybean carryout for this coming year, 16-17. USDA gave us a 305 million bushel carryout. A lot of that decrease in carryout came in growth and usage, up nearly 175 million bushels from the 15-16 crop forecast for demand. So that's still going to be up in the air as we work through the year. The marketing year does not start until September 1st and carries all the way to September 1 of the next year into 2017. So any demand focus will be 6-8 months out before that even starts. So that'll be one of the big question marks. The other one, we didn't get any update in planting information as well, and that will come in the further reports. But a big day nonetheless. Great opportunity for farmers to look at now profitable type prices within this environment. Worldwide, beans a little bit on the decline as well in regards to overall carryout, and that added to the fuel to the fire today. The corn and wheat markets were a little bit negative. New crop forecast to be 2.153 for 16-17 carryout, and in wheat a 1.029 billion bushel carryout. So sometime since we've seen above a billion bushel wheat carryout. Those two markets were able to tag along a little bit on the strength, but weren't able to really kind of get up into that big action here as we work through the day. Meal market up 20 bucks as well. Over in the feeder cattle today, down 50 to 60 cents in feeders, lives up 20 cents, and the hog market up 65. So when you look into those details in the cattle market, we've had some strong cash undertones. Those are hopefully bringing some optimism. We've seen cutouts strengthen as well in the cattle, and we're getting up here to the mid 150s as some marketing targets for feeders, and live cattle into that 120, 121 type area. As you look to the hog market, we're continually chopping around here around this 81, 82. We've tended to do this, and then if we lack to get, or lack the news to really extend, then we take a hiatus and break down to that 75. I look for that kind of pattern to continue yet as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.